Are you looking to learn coding or enhance your programming skills? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the world of Python. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly language that's taken the programming world by storm. Let's explore why it's so popular. Python is known for its readable and elegant syntax. It's like coding in plain English, making it accessible to both beginners and experts. Python is a high-level language, meaning it hides complex hardware details, so you can focus on problem solving. It's also an interpreted language, which means no separate compilation step. You can test changes instantly, saving time and maintaining flexibility. Python's extensive standard library provides ready-made modules for various tasks, simplifying development. Cross-platform compatibility means your Python code runs smoothly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Being open source, Python is free and supported by a vibrant community with tons of resources and libraries. Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare variable types in advance. It's flexible but demands clean coding. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, from procedural to object-oriented and functional. Perfect for rapid prototyping and development, Python's simplicity and ecosystem make turning ideas into code a breeze. And it's a powerhouse in data science and machine learning, with libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow making it a top choice. In conclusion, Python's readability, flexibility, and robust community make it a go-to language for various applications. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, Python has something to offer. If you need Python development assistance or any IT-related services, don't hesitate to contact TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions Private Limited. We're here to help. That's it for today's Python feature rundown. Stay curious and enjoy your programming journey.